Promise you're not gonna do it again?
Promise.
Promise talaga?
Promise talaga.
Pinky swear?
Pinky swear, I swear.
Justin, you always break your promise.
Sus. Naiba script pa.
Kaya I have no choice. I have to punish you.
What?
Yes, I'm gonna punish you. You're gonna have to live with Torky for a while.
What?
What?
That's the way for you to learn how other people live. If you live with Torky, you're gonna learn to be more considerate of other people's feelings. You're gonna learn that it's wrong to put the poo-poo of the dog in the swimming pool.
Mommy, please, no.
Mom, no.
If you prove yourself that you're good after, we're gonna go to Disneyland.
Me also? Ma'am, I don't like Hong Kong, ha? Gusto ko Amerika. LA or Orlando.
See? I told you he's funny. Justin, if you live with Torky, you're gonna enjoy. Justin! Yung kapatid ko na inggitera, bengatiba, traidor. Sigurado ako pati si Justin ipapahamak niya. Kaya Torky, nakikiusap ako sa'yo. Kunin mo anak ko, ilabas mo siya rito at itago mo siya. Gagawan ko ng paraan na malinis ko ang pangalan ko. Uy, Torky, ayos na yung script natin. Kaya, biling ko lang sa'yo, huwag mong payagan si Justin na manood ng TV at huwag mong papakita ang dyaryo sa kanya. Torky, sige na, kunin mo na si Justin. Torky, alis na kayo ni Justin!
Ma'am.
Justin! Justin, Torky! Kunin mo na yung anak ko, ilabas mo!
Pero ma'am, di pa po ako pumapayag.
Babayaran naman kita eh.
Maski na ho.
20 million pesos.
Justin! Come on, let's go! Ano bang bata ito? Bilisan mo!